My name's Erin. I have been going to chiropractors for years and just didn't think much of changing anything until I heard, things that my dad had been saying, which kind of cracks me up because sometimes he goes, "Oh, it's the best thing ever." And, 2 weeks later, he's like, "Nah." But that never happened here. It was always, no, she does some things that I've never experienced before in chiropractic, and it's been a huge game changer for him. He came in with a pinched nerve or something within his shoulder, causing horrific arm spasms that I thought he was having a stroke or a seizure at first, and turns out to be something that Dr. Keltie fixed relatively easily for him. So I was kind of sold on giving her a try after that. My first experience here was very positive. I've had multiple chiropractors in the past. I've had assessments and the x-rays and the images and stuff like that, and the assessment here was much more thorough than ones that I've had before. I would say in the fact that the testing was very unique than what I've experienced before in diagnosing and evaluating not just how my spine is aligned, but how my nervous system worked in general. So it was very eye-opening and very interesting to be able to experience that and know it wasn't just, let's just look at the bones and see what we can do with that. It was an entire nervous system evaluation, in my opinion. So I was very pleased with that. Some of the main reasons that got me into chiropractic was I did a lot of sports growing up, and so I have quite a few things that have been aching and problematic from those experiences. I have learned that it's not just a bone issue or a skeletal issue, it's also a nervous system and a muscular issue, and I'm working on getting those fixed. I had, for some reason, the left side of my body doesn't want to do what it's supposed to do. All she had to do is one little thing, and I haven't had an issue since. And that was something that has bothered me for months on and off. I have to be able to physically do my job, and so using this as preventative and treatment is really helpful for me. Staying committed to my chiropractic care is very helpful with my gym visits, my work life, and keeping up with my kids. She remembers what's going on and what happened last week, and she's very concerned about your overall wellness, not just popping a couple places here and there.